I'm Neena. Welcome to Neena's Thai Kitchen. Today's recipe is Tom Kha Gai or chicken coconut soup. This soup is the most popular soup at any Thai restaurant in US. And of course, in Thailand, it's very popular as well. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook it. I would like to mention one thing about the name Tom Kha Gai. Kha means Galangal. Galangal is a root similar to ginger root, but the smell, the fragrance is totally different. And today, Galangal is gonna be the main ingredient. Let's start cooking. Tom Kha Gai, normally we use chicken, but today I would like to add a little twist by adding the prawns in there. For the chicken, I marinated about 10 minutes. I put about half teaspoon of fish sauce and half teaspoon of soy sauce and a pinch of pepper. That's all. Prawns. And for mushroom, you can use any kind of mushroom. Today I use oyster mushroom and cremini mushroom. Sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, chili, red onion or shallots, kaffir, lime leaf, coconut milk, chicken broth, cilantro, chopped onion. This one is lemongrass. Lemongrass normally is come this long. I cut it on the top out, and this is the top part. You can prepare it two ways. One is to slice it thin like this, or another way is you can cut it big and smash it slightly. I will show it to you later. And the main ingredient is the galangal. Galangal, I cut it thin like this, about 10 slices, and then we're gonna smash it. Let me show it to you later, okay? Let me show you how to prepare lemongrass and galangal. Lemongrass normally is this long, so I cut it to be pieces like this. And after I cut it, I just going to slightly smash it in the mortar pestle. Here you go. That's all. If you don't have mortar and pestle, you can just easily use the back of the knife, the handle here, to smash it. It works as well. Or the last thing to do is you can just slice it. This way it works. Both lemongrass and galangal are frozen because it's hard to find the fresh one. The frozen one works just fine. This one is galangal. I'm going to slice it like this. And then slightly smash in the mortar and pestle. See here? This will release the aroma better. It will make our soup taste and smell very good. And you can use the back of the knife again here. I think we are ready to cook. Let's go. First, we are going to prepare the soup with high heat. We are going to put the chicken broth in there. Red onion or shallots. This one is kaffir lime leaf. I'm just going to tear it and put it in like that. The reason I tear it because I would like to release all the aroma and citrusy of this leaf. Galangal, lemongrass. We're just going to simmer it for about 5 minutes to get all the flavor out, and we use the low heat right now. After 5 minutes simmering of this soup, I'm going to get all of this out because we normally don't eat this one. We just want the flavor in our soup only. Next, we're going to put chicken in there. We're gonna press the heat to be high heat right now. Normally chicken, we take about 1 to 2 minutes to cook it. Okay, after 1 minute and a half here, my chicken almost cooked. I'm going to put prawns in there. We still have high heat right now. Coconut milk. After I put coconut milk in, I would mix coconut milk and the soup together. And I will put all of the ingredients: fish sauce, lime juice, sugar, chili. And now I'm going to cook it for about 1 minute. Let's check if chicken and prawns are cooked. Okay, both of them are cooked right now. The prawns turn from the clear color to be solid color. And put mushroom in there. Green onion and cilantro. Cilantro I'm going to put only half, and then I save another half for garnish. When it's a boil everywhere, that means it's cooked, and mushroom it takes very short time to cook. Even though when you take it out from the stove, it still keep cooking. We're done with our chicken and prawns coconut soup. Let's see how it turns out. Wow, it looks very good. Smells good. And again, as I said, we're going to garnish it with the cilantro. And I'm going to do a little bit of the garnish by the chili. Here it is, chicken prawns coconut soup. This recipe is exactly the same as the one that I served at the Thai restaurant that I owned before. So the taste is going to be a little bit mild. But I would like to give you a little tip to spice it up for people who like spicy food. On this one, you can easily add a little bit of chili powder and a little bit of lime juice, a little bit of fish sauce. That should be all. It's going to spice this one. Oh, I feel like I want a little bit more spice. Let me put it here. The texture of the soup is supposed to be creamy like this. Let me test it. This one is very, very good. Normally you can have this one with steamed rice, but sometimes you can have it with rice noodles. All you have to do is just cook the rice noodles, drain it dry, and then put it directly into the soup. Now let me show you. Now you turn the soup to be noodle soup, and the taste is still very, very good. Please try at home. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.